disability in society than our inability to see a person more, according to Robert Hansen. Hello everyone, I am SNEd1, one of your hosts for today, and welcome to Listen Up, City Collegian.
And I'm Jane. With Leon, we will discover today the legal basis of our PWDs. The question that we will ask to our beloved guest for today will inform all of us about it.
Before that, let's welcome our respective guests, Attorney Cecil Veron and Attorney Mary Rose Motel.
Welcome to Listen Up City Collegian, Attorney Motol and Attorney Beron.
Hello and good day, City Collegians.
Jane, are you ready for the questions that we're going to ask for our guest speakers for today?
Of course, Leon, I am very excited and also our viewers today. So, for our first question, attorneys, what is PWD or what do we mean by PWD?
Of course, PWD or person with disabilities according to the UN Convention includes those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairment.
Well, according to Republic Act 7277 or the 1992 Magna Carta for Disabled Person, define it as those suffering from restriction of different abilities. Republic Act 7277 is an act providing for rehabilitation, self-development, and self-reliance of disabled person.
Are you ready, attorneys? So, we asked a 3 students from the school to ask you a few questions. So, let's see it right now.
Yes, good day po sa lahat. So, my question po is, there are some companies in the Philippines that didn't accept a person with disability as their employee. So, how can we secure the right of them about the employment?
According to Section 5 of Republic Act 7277, it tackles about the equal opportunity for employment. It means that disabled persons have the right to be qualified in a position a company can deny their access to opportunities. They also must get the same benefits what a qualified able-bodied person have.
Okay, so it's very clear that in our law, disabled persons should not be denied for a job. Take that on note, everyone. So, for our second question,
What part of the Republic Act 7277 stated about the rights of disabled person when it comes to education?
Section 12, Chapter 2 of the Republic Act stated that disabled persons are provided with the access to quality education and ample opportunities to develop their skills. That is why we have the special and inclusive education to promote and secure their rights.
Everyone deserves a good education. It is just right for the Filipino people to know how it should be amended. So for our next question,
How can we protect disabled person from any harm or danger around them?
Obviously, we have to live knowing the legal basis of our PWDs so that we can't just help them, but we can also understand their situation.
Our PWDs are not different from us. We should respect and acknowledge their capabilities and let them see the world without discrimination.
that was so informative. Thank you so much for your words and knowledge that you shared to us today, Attorney Beron and Attorney Motol.
for our next guest, we have a SPED teachers and a physician. Let's all welcome on Listen Up City Collegian, Ma'am Hazel Lazares, Ma'am Shaina Torres, and Dr. Quinlet Gavin.
Hello, City Collegian. Thank you for having us. It's an honor to be able to raise awareness about our PWDs.
I've been a SPED teacher for almost 3 years now, and I'm grateful to be with my special students to add more. On our Republic Act 5250, which is an act establishing a 10-year training program for teachers of special and exceptional children in the Philippines. They help me to understand their world more and broaden my perspective when it comes to their emotions, feelings, as well as their behavior. I want every viewer and listener here to also understand and be kind to our disabled person. Please, never discriminate them. Instead, treat them how you treat able person.
Understanding person with disabilities or our PWDs is one basic rule of life. They are not different from us. Actually, they are putting a lot of effort to also be with us and understand us. The problem is some of us are being a hindrance for them to continue their life. Every each one of them has a purpose, so we must believe on them.
As a doctor or physician of our PWDs, we have the right access when it comes to their health. It's a must to observe their physical communication and cognitive aspect when it comes to their disability. We can also add medical issue among people with disability were influenced by financial issues and economic vulnerability.
Thank you again for all our guest speaker for today. We've learned a lot from you, right, Jane?
Absolutely, Lian. We hope that we point out this very important topic today and all of you guys learned something. Alright, so thank you for listening, everyone. This is Listen Up City Collegian, and all of you have a great day.
Again, thank you everyone for staying tuned with us. Again, this is